In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin Google, YouTube, or Gmail to Start menu on Windows 11 Easily Updated 2026 Full Guide. If you want faster access to your favorite Google services without opening your browser and typing the website every time, this is a simple and useful trick. By pinning Google, YouTube, or Gmail directly to the Start menu in Windows 11, you can launch them much more quickly, almost like opening an app. This is especially helpful if you use these services every day for search, videos, or email. To begin, open Microsoft Edge on your Windows 11 computer. This method uses a built-in feature in Edge, so make sure you're working in that browser before moving on. Once Edge is open, go to the website you want to pin. You can use Google, YouTube, or Gmail, depending on what you want quick access to from your Start menu. If the site requires you to be signed in for the experience you want, go ahead and sign in at this point. For example, if you want Gmail to open directly to your inbox, being signed in first can make the shortcut more useful and personalized. After the website is fully loaded, look to the top right corner of Microsoft Edge and click the three dots menu. This opens the main browser menu, where Edge gives you access to additional tools and options. From that menu, select More Tools. When the submenu appears, choose Pin to start. As soon as you click it, Windows 11 will create a Start menu shortcut for that website. This means the site will now appear in your Start menu, making it much easier to open whenever you need it. If you don't see it right away, check the Pin section of your Start menu, or look through the full app list. In some cases, Windows may place it slightly differently depending on your current Start menu layout. You can also move it around later to place it somewhere more convenient. This is a great way to keep commonly used web services right at your fingertips without cluttering your desktop. It also works well if you prefer using the Start menu as a central place to launch the tools and websites you use most often. That's all it takes to pin Google, YouTube, or Gmail to the Start menu on Windows 11 using Microsoft Edge. It's quick, easy, and very practical for everyday use.